Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? We have 3 raised to the power of square root of t. This equals 27 power t. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Now, whenever you have an exponential problem like this and there's an equality sign here, what you need to do is to express the both part of this equation in the same basis. Let the basis be the same. So the base here and the base here must be the same. We have 3 power square root of t. And this equals, for this, you are going to have 3 power 3. Remember, 3 power 3 is 27. And this raised to the power of t. So if you have a power n raised to the power of n, this equals a power n times n. So we multiply these exponents. We are going to have 3 power, this is square root of t, equals 3 power 3 times t, this is 3t. Now, at this point, we have been able to express the same basis to be the same. So if you have a power b and this equals a power c, that means b equals c. When the bases are the same, you compare the exponents. So we are simply going to have square root of t equals 3 times t. So the next thing we are going to do will be to take the squares of both of this equation. Now, if you have square root of a raised to the power of 2, this equals a, because this eliminates this. Remember, square root of a is the same thing as having a power 1 over 2. When you raise it to the power of 2, this cancels out. 2 times 1 over 2, that is 2 over 2, and that is 1. So you likely have a here. Now, this will cancel this. We have t, and this equals 3t to the power of 2. Now, if you have a times b to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. We apply this right here. We have t equals, this is 3 power 2 times t power 2. And from here we have t equals 3 power 2, that is 3 times 3, that is 9 times t power 2. So from here we have t equals 9 times t squared, that is 9t squared. So we move this t over here. We simply have 9t squared minus t equals 0. So at this particular point, there is t here, there is t here. We can factor out the t. We have t times this divided by t, that is 9t, minus this divided by t, that is 1, and this equals 0. So right now we are going to equate each of these to 0. We have t equals 0. And we have 9t minus 1 equals 0. So this is already solved. Then for this, what you are going to do will be to move this over here. We have 9t equals 1. So from here, you divide each by 9. 9 cancels 9. And you have t equals 1 over 9. Now, we have two solutions right here, but there is how you could have actually solved it right here, but it will give you only one solution. You have t equals 9t squared. I divide this by t. I divide this by t. T cancels t. I have 1 equals 9t squared divided by t. This cancels one of this. I have 9t. Then I try to isolate t. Let me rearrange this. 9t equals 1. I divide this by 9. Divide this by 9. 9 cancel 9. Then I have t equals 1 over 9. Have you seen? Using this approach, I have only one solution, but the first one have two different solutions. So it depends on how you want to solve it. Now what we are going to do next will be to check using those two values. We check. We have t equals 0. T equals 1 over 9. So if you make use of this, we have 3 power square root of t equals 27 power t. So what we are going to do will be to start using t equals 0. We have 3 power square root of 0 equals 27 power 0. So from here you have 3 power square root of 0 is 0. This is 27 power 0. 3 power 0, that is 1, equals 27 power 0, that is 1. The both sides are equal. So you consider t equals 1 over 9. I have 3 power square root of t equals 27 power t. I'm going to insert this for t. I have 3 power square root of 1 over 9 equals 27 power 1 over 9. So right now, I have 3 power square root of 1. Now, if you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So I have 3 power is square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 27 power 1 over 9. So right here, I have 3 power square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 9 is 3. This equals 27 power 1 over 9. And like we did earlier on, remember 27 is 3 to the power of 3. I have 3 power 1 over 3 equals 27, that is 3 power 3. And this raised to the power of 1 over 9. You have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. Applying this here, we have 3 power 1 over 3 equals 3 power 3 times 1, that is 3, and we have over 9. From here, 3 cancels itself, 1 cancels this 3. We have 3 power 1 over 3 equals 3 power 1 over 3. Now, if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a power 1, and this equals the n root of a. So applying the same thing here and here, we have the cube root of 3 power 1. And this equals the cube root of 3 power 1. From here, we have the cube root of 3. And this will give you the cube root of 3. This side equals this side. So you have seen it. That's how you can easily solve this exponential problem. So the major step you need to take is to ensure that the two bases are the same. Whenever you have an equality sign, you check that to make sure that the two bases are the same. You express this in terms of this other base. Then you multiply the exponent. When the bases are the same, you can compare the exponent like what we did here. You eliminate the square root, then you solve for t. So that is how you can actually solve this. You can solve it in two methods. Either you solve for t by moving every part to 0 and having two solutions, or you solve for t by easily dividing each part by t, like what we did here that gave us only one solution. So these are different ways you can actually solve this. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.